Well, she ain't moving. She was breathing, and she's still breathing, I think. Yep. She had a little narrow stick. That's all she wanted. And Mr. Boy, snotty boy here. Boy, you won't drink any water? Won't drink any water. Tried. Gave you fresh water, too. Alright, well, we're going to just play this guitar here. Turn it around here. And she's over there. She's over there. He's over here. Just going to play guitar. And there we have it. Let's see. Everybody's doing. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You just put your head up. Do I have you in here? She just put. Look at her. What are you, coming back to life a little bit? Jeez. I thought you were getting ready to go on me. All concave back here. That's her hip bone right here. Mr. Boy. Mr. Boy, did you like the music? You gotta keep getting better too. You gotta finish the medicine. Alright. Alright. That's it. Say hi to Cindy. Yeah. Is that how you say hi, with the mouth movement there? That's that weird mouth movement. But you didn't drink any water after that Nara stick. That's all she wants to eat right now.